Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion this has. And the given number is 1 upon 11. So let us see what type of decimal expansion this has. Here the question has given us this number. This is a rational number 1 upon 11. So question has given us this number 1 upon 11, and we are going to do two things on this number as per the question. One is we need to write this one into a decimal form. We need to write this in the form of a decimal. Write this in the form of decimal. And the other thing that the question is asking us to do here is we need to find out what kind of decimal expansion that we got. What kind of decimal expansion that we got. These are the two things that we need to do on the given number, on the given rational number. So the given rational number is 1 upon 11. Now the first part is write this in the form of a decimal, So let us divide 1 with 11 in our traditional way. I'm going to divide 1 with 11 in our traditional way. So you could see that I cannot divide 1 with 11 initially because 1 is smaller than 11. So I need to add a 0 here to 1. In order to add a 0 here, I need to put 0 dot or decimal point, and then I can add 0. Now after adding 0 also, still 10 is less than 11. That means I need to add one more 0 here after decimal, and I need to make it as 100. Now here we got 100. So 11 9s are 99. What we got? 11 9s are 99. And we are left with again 1. The remainder we got is 1. So what I need to do? I need to put a 0 here. Again it is not divisible. I will be putting a 0 here. So I am getting 100. Then again 11 9s are 99. So 11 9s are 99 we got. Again we got this one as remainder is 1. So again we got remainder as 1. That means if we are getting remainder as 1, then let me do it once more. We are getting 10 here. If I put a 0, still it is not divisible. I will put a 0 here on the quotient, and again I will put a 0 here, and finally we will get 99, and still we are getting 1. Now guys, finally we got this one as like this. Now guys, what is this we got? You could see that we got a remainder 1. Every time we are getting remainder 1. Every time we are getting 1 as the remainder. It is not completely divisible. We are not getting a remainder as 0. It is not completely divisible. Each time you could see we are having 1 1 1. Now if the remainder is repeating, then definitely the quotient is also repeating. So if you could see, if the remainder is repeating, you could see that our quotient has repeated. 09 09 09. It is continuing. It is getting repeated continuously. 09 09 09. So what is this we got? We can put our concluding answer saying that 1 upon 11 is equal to 0.090909. It is still continuing. Or in other words, I can write this one as 0.09 a bar on 09, because 09 is getting repeated each time. So I can write my concluding answer saying that the decimal expansion, we can write our concluding answer saying that the given rational number, the given number after being expanded, is a non-terminating, repeating, because it is not terminating, it is continually. It is a non-terminating repeating, because each time you could see 09 09 it is getting repeated. So non-terminating repeating. What we are saying? We are saying the given number after being expanded is a non-terminating repeating. This is what we can say. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.